Standard 12th with the Part 2 of Accountancy, Chapter 2 Accounting for Debenture. The company issues share capital for the requirement of long-term fund, and if company require more fund, then this fund can be met by loan or borrowed amount. Mostly, instead of borrowing such loan from the financial institute, company can raise fund from public by issue of security. Such security is popularly known as debenture or bond. Those who get the debenture by giving money to the company are known as a debenture holder, and the duration of the debenture, according to the Companies Act 2013, no company is allowed to issue debenture with a maturity period more than 10 years. But a company engaged in infrastructure project can issue debenture for more than 10 years but not exceeding 30 years. There are some important points related to debenture which is given on your textbook page number 65 in detail. Moving to the next, accounting effect for issue of debenture. Procedure, transaction and the name of the account for issue of debenture are the same as share capital transaction which we did in the last chapter, like such as debenture application account, debenture allotment account, debenture calls account, etc. Debenture percentage which will be given in the question has always mentioned before the word debenture. Now following entries will be passed at the time of issue of debenture. There are two ways to pass it. First situation, when full amount of debenture is called up at a time. That time the entry should be bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account. Here the mark is for the percentage which will be given in your question. Debenture application and allotment account to debenture account. This is the first situation. Next, when amount of debenture is called up in installment, it is same like the last chapter. Bank account to debenture application account, debenture application account to debenture account. To bank account if we are refunding or rejecting the applications, that is excess application. Debenture allotment account to debenture account, bank account to debenture allotment account, debenture call account to debenture account, bank account to debenture call account. You can see it's really similar to your last chapter. Now moving to the exercise and going to solve with the question number 4 which is given on your page number 112. Sachin Marble Limited issued 12,000 debenture of ₹100 each for public subscription. Interest is to be paid at the rate of 10%. The amount were called up per debenture as under. Application 30, allotment 45 and call is 25. You can see the debenture fees value is 100. So here they divide the amount. Application were received by company 15,000 debenture. Now after the allotment of 12,000 debenture, rejected excess application of debenture and refund the money to applicant. All the amount due on allotment and call were duly received. Now write the journal entry in the books of the company. Reading question, just bifurcate all the information so if while going to the solution you don't get any difficulties. Here I wrote the issued share debenture and the received is 15,000. So 3,000 is going to be rejected. Here I already put on all the calculation related to the application, the received, rejected and going to keep in the debenture. Then allotment and calls. We didn't find any call in area, so we can continue with this calculation. So the entry is very similar to your last chapter. First one is bank account. In the question it is given 10% debenture application. You don't need to calculate, but you have to write while writing as it is already mentioned. Application account where we have received 15,000 into 30, that is 4,50,000. Second entry, debenture, 10% debenture application account debited to 10% debenture. on place of equity capital we have to keep only debenture, while the entry is same. Here we'll keep only the issued debenture into 30, that is 3,60,000, and the excess one, that is 3,000, is going to be refund. So we'll write bank account for this 90,000. The total of this is 4,50,000. Here we finish with the application. Moving to the allotment, 10% debenture allotment account debited to 10% debenture account bank account debited to 10% debenture allotment account. This is how you can remember to write down the entries, and the amount will be same, that is 12 issued share into 45, 5,40,000. So here I am going to put 5,40,000 for both the debit and the credit side. This chapter is really simple and easy. Just don't mistake in the entry. So I am just showing you an entry first, that what entry should be put. 10% debenture calls account debited to 10% debenture account, where 12,000 issued into 25. Here we got 3 lakh. Last entry, that is bank account debited to 10% debenture calls account. Again comes with the 3 lakh. Question number 5. Garvey Cotton Limited issues 6,000 10% debenture of 500 each at a premium of 40%, on which the amount per debenture were payable as under. Here the amount is given and allotment is including premium. Application were received for the total 9,000 debenture out of 6,000, so 3,000 is excess. So from this excess application were rejected and refund the money received thereon. All the amount due on allotment and calls were duly received. Past journal entry in the books of the company. Here the calculation where I wrote the issued and the received. Rejected 3,000. Application received 9,000, rejected 3,000, and this is the 6,000 which have been issued. So here we start with the calculation. As in the allotment the premium is introduced. So here is the calculation of premium. The information given in the question that 500 is the face value and 40% of it is the premium. So here comes the calculation of premium. So let's start with the entry. Here also 10% only. You can see the calculation as well. Debenture, and the rejected one will be written as a bank account. Here the rejected one is 3,000 into 200, that is 6 lakh issued and going to keep into the debenture account, that is 12 lakh. Total it is 18. Third one is the allotment. In the last chapter we used to keep the premium with the capital, but here the capital is debenture account. So remember, with debenture account we'll keep security premium. The calculation is over here. Premium is 12, whereas the 6,000 issued into 100 amount of allotment, it is 6 Total it is 80. We didn't find any call-in areas, so we can write it down directly. Allotment, that is the multiplication of total of 18 lakh together with the premium. Moving to the next, for the calls, now I'm keeping it into the short. 6,000 into 200, it is 12 lakh. Sixth, debenture calls account. There is no call in areas, so we can continue with the amount. Here we finish. Fifth, moving to the sixth question. Pursuant Steel Limited issued 15,000 9% debenture of 100 each at a price of 80 per debenture. The amount per debenture was payable as under. Now in this calculation we can see the discount as it is also showing over here. The company received application 15,000 only, so no excess debenture, and all sanctioned. The company received the full money, called on allotment and received full amount on call, except call on 800 debenture. Past necessary journal entry in the books of company. The calculation of discount, there is an explanation given on your page number 72. Issue of debenture at discount. When the company issue debenture at a price which is less than their face value, the debenture are said to have been issued at a discount. There is no restriction in the Company Act as regard the maximum discount which can be given on the issue of debenture. If there is no restriction in the Article of Association of the company, debenture can be issued at a discount. So here the question number 6, where we find discount, the calculation is given like that. The application, whatever have been issued has been received. So there is no any excess one to reject. So application is 15,000 into 25, whereas the allotment with 35. And in the question it is given that at the stage of allotment there is a discount. Out of 100 of face value, it has been sold by 80. So obviously the 20 will be the discount. So keep 35 as it is with the allotment, and the whatever discount you find will be continue in the allotment. I'll show you where the entry will be put for the discount, because in the last chapter we didn't do discount, right? So moving to the next, calls 15,000 into 20, 3 lakh, and there is a call in areas in the stage of last stage, that is calls. So let's start with the entry. Here in the question it is 12%. The multiplication will be 3,75,000. Next entry. There is no any excess, so we'll continue with this amount. Third stage, that is for the allotment. Okay, here when you find a security premium, it comes at the credit side, but when you find discount, at that time it will come over here, debenture, discount account to 12% debenture account. Here I did a little mash, but hope you understand. 12% debenture allotment account, 12% debenture discount account to 12% debenture. Now here is the calculation. Here we can take directly 5,25,000, where you can see the multiplication of 15,000 into 35. 15,000 into 20, for discount it is 3 lakh. So the entry goes in the debenture is 8,25,000. Debited to 12% debenture allotment account. This time when you don't keep directly continue with the debenture, keep the allotment amount, that is 5,25,000 before the calculation without discount. Then the fifth entry for the calls, that is 12% debenture calls account debited to 12% debenture account. This time the calculation will be normal because call-in areas will come at the second entry of the calls. Bank account debited, call-in areas account debited to 12% debenture call account. For call I am keeping 3 lakh over here. For call in areas it is 800 share into 20 comes 16,000. Get minus with 3 lakh, you will get 2,84,000. Here I also put the calculation. 3 lakh minus 16,000, it is 2,84,000. So here we finish with the sixth question. Moving to the seventh one. Dynamic Limited of Ankleshwar issued 30,000 12% debenture of 100 each, on which the amount per debenture was payable as under. Now all the debenture were applied. Palak, the holder of 1,000 debenture, paid the entire amount on his holding on allotment, where the Akash, the holder of 400 debenture, failed to pay allotment and the calls money. Now here they are talking about the two holders but in the different way. Here Palak is the holder who is paying for 1,000 entire amount, यानी कि वो advance में pay कर रही है at the time of allotment, and the one of the partner who is the name Akash holding 400 debenture failed to pay allotment and the call money. So this is the call in areas, but with the Palak it is call in advance of 1,000 share. Now all the amount on allotment and calls were duly received on all remaining debentures. So pass necessary journal entry for the above transaction in the books of company. Now here is the calculation. Issued 30,000 and received 30,000, so no excess to be rejected. Application 30 with the amount multiplied by 35. For the allotment, remember whatever you are getting in advance have to be plus, and here the minus with the areas, because यहाँ पे Palak, whenever the advance amount is received at any stage, here the 30,000 amount have been paid by Palak, but the 1,000 of the calls money, that is 1,000 into 25, is going to be received in advance. So remember have to be plus at the stage of allotment, क्योंकि allotment के stage पे आपको calls पलक के 1,000 डिबेंचर का पैसा इन एडवांस मिल रहा है, तो हियर आई रोट एडवांस ऑफ 1,000 इंटू 25 विच हैव टू बी ऐड, यानी कि अलॉटमेंट के टाइम पे आपको इतना पैसा मिलेगा 12,25,000 पर एट द सेम टाइम आकाश जो डिबेंचर होल्डर है वो 400 का एरियर्स बता रहा है, इट्स नॉट हैव बीन पेड येट, तो उसका अमाउंट 400 इंटू 40 ऑफ अलॉटमेंट, रिमेंबर 40 ऑफ अलॉटमेंट, first and final call of 30,000 into 25. This will be normal, that will be issued multiplied by 25. Advance amount which have been received at the stage of Palak, तो यहाँ पे आके उसको माइनस करना है. The same amount 25,000 have to be minus at the stage of final call. Why? Because we already received this 25,000 at the stage of allotment. So remove from here that this amount have already received. So only this much amount is going to become. So get minus again the areas of Akash 400, Akash the holders who is electing 400, who did not pay for calls money as well, that is 25. get it minus with the 10,000. So get minus with the 25,000 which have been paid in advance, 10,000 that is in arrears. So the balance amount will be received at the first and final call is 7,15,000. Now I'll make you understand while going to the entry. Bank account debited to, here the percentage is 12. Debenture application account where 30,000 issued into 35, 10,50,000. Next, 12% debenture. I'm writing in short so it won't get mashed. Application account debited to 12% debenture, as there is no any access to be reject, to continue with the amount. Now I'll show you at the third with the allotment stage. 12% debenture allotment account debited to 12% debenture account, where we take 30,000 the issued debenture into 40, it is 12 lakh. Now at the entry of bank, here you have to be careful when you are dealing with the both call in advance and call in arrears. Remember where we used to write call in arrears with the bank, right? So remember this stage. Then we used to write 12% debenture allotment account. This is the normal which we used to do. So at the 12% debenture, just keep first 12 lakh. Then with debenture allotment, when you are keeping call in arrears at the debit side, you can remember like this the position where to put if you are forgetting in the journal entry. The call in advance, which I explained you before, that this is the share which we are receiving in advance, to keep here, debentures which is receiving in advance. Then there is the arrears of 16,000, so get it minus. Now simple form, just add them. It is 12,25,000, get minus with the 16,000, you will get the value 12,09,000. In the solution also I plus the 25,000 and minus the 16,000 of arrears at the stage of allotment, and the value of bank is also given. This is how you have to keep the entry. Next, for the calls, debenture first and final call account debited to 12% debenture account. This time will take 30,000 into 25, it is 7,50,000. Next entry, bank account debited call in arrears account debited. Here the call in arrears is 10,000. Remember, here we are going to minus this advance 25 to keep it in your debit side only. Advance, because we have received this amount at the stage of allotment, so first get it minus, and here we'll keep debenture first and final call account with this 7,50,000. Get minus with this 35,000, you will get the balance amount, that is 7,15,000 here with the calculation. Moving to the next question, number 8. Charmy Fashions Limited issue 1,20,000 10% debenture at the face value of 200 each with a premium of 10%. With the application of 100 including premium at the stage of application and the balance amount on allotment, this debenture were redeemed after 7 years. Application were received by company is 1,50,000 debenture and allotment of 1,20,000 debenture is made on pro rata basis. Now excess amount on application is credited to allotment account. Excess amount is not been rejected but credited to allotment account as per the pro rata basis. Amount due on allotment is fully received. Pass journal entry on the issue of debenture in the books of company. Here is the solution for question number 8. As per the pro rata, the excess application is not going to be rejected. It is going to be covered into the money of allotment that I will show you. First, take the face value of 200 and remove 10% of it. It is 20 premium. Whereas the application including premium means it is plus 20 is equal to 100. The application amount is 80 and the allotment and the remaining amount is of allotment. Though out of 200, if we remove 80, the balance 120 will comes to the allotment. So this is what the amount is going to be multiplied. Application amount where we have received 1,50,000 into 100, the value is 1 crore 50 lakh. Then 1,20,000 which have been issued get multiplied with the face value of 80 of application, the amount will be 96 lakh. 1,20,000 into 20, that is the premium, that is 24 lakh, and the excess amount of 30,000 is going to be multiplied by 100, 30,000 which will be covered in allotment stage. 1,20,000 into 120, that is the amount of allotment. Here got 1 crore 44 lakh minus the advance which we have already received at the time of application, 30 lakh. So the remaining balance will move to the bank account of allotment at the stage of allotment. Now I'll show you how the entry will be passed for solution of the question number 8. Bank account debenture application where I took 1 crore 50 lakh as per the calculation, and here in the next entry application to 10% debenture, the security premium to the excess which is going to be normally we used to reject, but in the time of pro rata we have to pass into the debenture allotment account. The money have been adjusted over here. Now here the 10% debenture where we'll multiply 1,20,000 into 80 will be 96 lakh, premium will be 24 and the excess is 30. Altogether it is 1 crore 50 lakh. Now at the next stage of 10% debenture allotment account, here comes 10% debenture allotment to 10% debenture bank account to debenture allotment account. I have just introduced the entries. Now I will show you the calculation, that is 1,20,000 into 120 which will be moved to the debenture account, that is 1 crore 44 lakh, and while we have already received in advance 30 lakh, so here we'll get it minus the remaining amount will move to the bank account, that is 1 crore 14 lakh. That's it. Moving to the next question, question number 9. Janki Marble Limited of Palanpur issue 50,000 11% debenture of 100 each at a premium of rupees 20 per debenture. The full amount was payable on application and application were received by the company is 60,000. 10,000 excess. So here application of 10,000 debentures were rejected and the amount thereof was refunded to the applicant. Debenture were allotted to the remaining application and passed necessary journal entry for the above transaction in the book of Janki Marble Limited. Now it is not pro rata. Here we are going to reject the excess one, and here the calculation 100 plus 20 premium application amount is 120, and this is the calculation. At the time of full amount of payable on application, as per this calculation the only entry is going to come. So first we'll take with the 72 lakh for the balance amount bank account for equity share application and allotment account. Next, in the account debenture will move 50 lakh with the premium of 10 and the excess of 10,000 going to be refunded, it is 12. Next, question number 10. Mansuri Limited of Dahod issue 8,000 10% debenture of 100 each at a discount of 10% as on 1/4/2017. The amount were payable as under: 30 for application, 35 for allotment, and the balance amount for final call. Company received application of 10,500. Here this is excess one.
of which 8,000 debenture were allotted and amount were refunded to the applicant on rejected application. All the money due on debenture were duly received. Expenses on the issue of debenture amount of 22,000. Director decide to write off 1/5 amount of expenses on issue account and discount on debenture account for the statement of profit and loss each year. Write journal entry for the first year only for the above transaction in the books of company.
Here is the calculation of question number 10. 10% of 100 face value, we get the 10 discount. Here the debenture issued 8,000 and they received 10,500. The excess is 2,500, which is going to be rejected. With application it is 30 and on allotment it is 35 with discount of 10. Here if we make it total, it is 75 minus 100. The balance amount comes in the final call is 25. So here is the calculation I already put on. So let's start with the entry. Bank account debited to, it is 10%. 10% debenture application account comes 3,15,000. Hope you all can see the calculation which I already wrote for application, allotment and final call. 10% debenture application account debited to 10% debenture account to the excess which is going to be rejected bank account. Here comes 2,40,000 and here 75. Third one, with the 10% debenture allotment account debited to 10% debenture discount account. First we already did, so hope you all have remembered where to keep debenture discount. Then to 10% debenture account. Here the calculation comes with the 2,80,000 and with the discount 80,000, 3,60,000. Fourth one, with the bank account debited to 10% debenture allotment account. The amount will be taken only 2,80,000. Don't get confused and don't take this 3,60,000. Fifth one, with the 10% debenture final call account debited to 10% debenture account bank account to debenture 10% debenture final call account. The multiplication is 8,000 into 25, it is 2 lakh. So here we finish with this, and for this year in your syllabus this have been cut 11, 12, 13, 14. And moving to the 15th, which is the journal entry only for the issue of debenture for the following transaction without narration. Now here there is some redeemable, but before that I'll explain you what it is. Redemption of debenture. Now it is the process of repaying the principal amount to debenture holder. Remember, it is one kind of security have been given by the company to the holder, and at the maturity they have to refund it, repay it. So redemption signifies repaying the number of debenture to debenture holder, यानी कि वापस पैसा देना. Following entries are to be passed for the redemption of debenture. Now at the time of redemption of debenture, the debenture account should be closed and transferred to the debenture holder account. The entry will be debenture account will be debited to debenture holder account, and when to repay money to debenture holder, that time debenture holder account to bank account. Moving to the page number. Here is the situations. When the debentures are issued at par and redeemed at par, the entry will be bank account to debenture application and allotment account.
Debenture application allotment to debenture account. This is the first entry. Second, when it is at the time of redemption, debenture to holder and debenture holder to bank. Next situation will be related to the premium. When debenture are issued at premium and redeemed at par. So bank account to application allotment, debenture application allotment to debenture to security premium. Debenture to holder, holder to bank. And when the debenture have been issued at discount and redeemable at par, that time the entry will be bank account to debenture application and allotment account, debenture application allotment account, debited, discount on debenture account debited to debenture. Then the next entry will be debenture to holder, holder to bank. This two entry is very simple, just to remember at the time of redemption, this two entry will be passed. So moving to the question, return all the situation given in the question number 15, 1, 2 and 3. Same as which has been explained on your page number 85, where the issued have been 8,509.5% debenture of rupees 100 each at par and redeemable also at par. So entry will be bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account. The multiplication will be 8,500 into 100. It will 8,50,000. Second entry for the debenture application and allotment account debited to 9.5. Sorry, I forgot this 9.5. Everywhere you have to highlight it. Debenture account 8,50,000, and at the time of redemption the next two entry will be debenture to debenture holder to bank account. This entry will be continued. And now the issued of 9,500, this is the second situation. Issued of 9,500, 9.5% debenture of 100 each at discount of 10%. So 100 ka 10% will be 10. Redeemed at par. So entry will be bank account debited to 9.5 debenture application and allotment account. Second, here the multiplication of 9,500 into 100, 9,500 into 90 because here the 10% of discount. So after removing discount from 100, it would be 90. The multiplication will comes 8,55,000. 9.5 debenture application and allotment account debited 9.5%, or you can directly write down debenture discount account debited, which will be multiplied by 10. So here it will come 9,500 to 9.5 debenture account will be 9,50,000, that is multiplied by 100. Get it minus, you will get the amount. And here also same with the redeemable, you can keep debenture account to debenture holder to bank account. The next two entry I am talking about. Third one, when the issued of 8,000 10% debenture of 100 each at a premium of 10% redeemable at par. So here the entry 10% of 100 will be 110. So bank account debited to 10%. Here I put on with the calculation, it is 200. So 8,000 into 200 ka 10% will be 20. So the total will be 220. So 8,000 debenture into multiply 220. Here the amount comes 17,60,000. The entry are similar, that bank to debenture application to allotment, 10% debenture application to allotment to 10% debenture to security premium. Security premium will multiply by 20 and debenture will multiply by 200 with 8,000. Moving to the second stage, when a debenture are issued at par or at a premium or at a discount and are redeemable at a premium, then The premium payable at the time of redemption of debenture is a loss for the company. Hence, the amount is debited to the loss on issue of debenture account. In such a premium payable on future date, then it is a liability to the company. So, the amount of premium is credited to the premium on redemption of debenture account. The journal entry which have to be passed is bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account for the first entry, and the second entry it is almost similar, that debenture application allotment account debited to debenture account, but when the redemption is done with premium, the entry for this is loss on issue of debenture account to premium on redemption of debenture. As in the explanation is already given that the premium payable at the time of redemption, it is the loss for the company. So the amount will be debited to the loss on issue of debenture, and as it has been paid on the future date, it is a liability, so it will be credited to the premium on redemption of debenture account. For this you can go to your page number 86 where all the explanation given in detail. Here the first situation, when debentures are issued at par and redeemable at premium, the entry which I have shown you just now in my book, it's same over here. Now at the time of redemption, debenture premium to premium on redemption on debenture account both are debited to debenture holder, and the third entry debenture holder account to bank. Moving to the second situation, that when the debenture are issued at a premium and are redeemable at premium, that time the entry will be same as here which I shown you, but one more entry, that is security premium reserve account. And the remaining, this two will be continue after this entry. And in the third situation, where the debenture are issued at discount and redeemable at premium, again the entries are same, but the discount on debenture will be introduced at the debit side with the whatever amount have been given in the question. So let's move to the next question number 16. Question number 16. Satyam Limited issued 12,000 8% debenture of 100 each at par as on 1/7/2017. This debenture are to be redeemed on 30/6/2023 at rupees 115 per debenture. So pass necessary journal entry into the books of the company for issue of debenture, issue and redemption of debenture. Now here I will show you the calculation. Here I wrote the date when it is has been issued and the date when it have been redeemed. It is the amount of 100 plus 15, it is 150. So first date when it has been issued, bank account debited to the percentage in the question is given 8% debenture application and allotment account. Now the amount 12,000 will multiply by 100, that is 12 lakh at the time of issue. Then on 1/7 debenture application and allotment account debited to 8% debenture account. Now at this time don't forget to put entry with the redemptions, that is loss on issue of debenture, which would be turned to the liability. So move to the premium on issue of debenture. Now here the calculation, this will be multiplied by 12,000 into 100, and this is the premium amount, so this will be multiplied by 15, and the same will be continue for the premium, and for the debenture again comes to the 100. Here comes 12 lakh, 1,80,000, then at the time of redemption the date will be this 2 take it over here, 8% debenture account debited, premium on issue of debenture account debited to debenture holder account. 12 lakh, 1 lakh 80,000. The total becomes 13 lakh 80,000. Next, debenture holder account debited to bank account when we are redemption of this, refunding to the debenture holder. That time the entry will pass on like this. Okay, now moving to the question number 17. On 1/4/2017, Shivam Limited issue 8,000 7.5% debenture of rupees 250 each at a discount of 5. So all the debenture are to be redeemed after 5 years, that is on 31st March 2022 at a premium of 10%. Now write the necessary journal entry in the books of the company. Here I already put on the calculation. Take the face value 250, remove 5% of it, it is 12.5 for discount. And for the premium 250 into 10%, it is 25. 8,000 when it is issued, it would be multiplied by 250, but at the redemption time 250 into 25, that is the loss on issue of debenture and the premium on issue of debenture. Here the calculation is done for the discount and the premium. So let's start with the entry. Date 1/4/2017. Bank account debited to percentage. Here is the entry. Bank account 7.5% of debenture application and allotment account. Issued is 8,000 multiplied by 22,237.5. The face value is 250 minus 12.5 discount. The value remains 237.5. Get multiplied with the 8,000. You will get 19 lakh. Putting at the next entry for the 1/4/2017, 7.5% debenture application and allotment account debited. I'm leaving one line just to make you remember how to write this. 7.5% debenture account. This is the normally which we used to do. And redemption with premium, that time loss on issue of debenture account debited, and this chapter is related to the discount. So here comes, I'm putting this entry down, 0.5 debenture account. Here comes debenture discount account on the debit side, which will be multiplied by 12.5 to premium on issue of debenture account. Now 7.5% of debenture application allotment account will be continued with this calculation. 19 lakh. Loss on issue of debenture, here the premium is 25. Premium on redemption 8,000 into 25, it is 2 lakh, which will be same credited to the premium on issue of debenture and loss on issue of debenture. And you can find this debenture discount, that is 8,000 into 12.5, it is 1. So here comes the difference, which will move to the 7.5% debenture account with 20 lakh. Then on the redemption, the date is 31st March 22. Here comes 7.5% debenture. Very simple and very easy to remember this entry. यहाँ पे आपने जो क्रेडिट किया है उसको डेबिट करना है to debenture holder account. This is how you can remember. Premium on issue of debenture account. Okay, this is the third entry, and the fourth entry again for the redemption with premium. Debenture holder account will be debited to bank account for refunding back to the holders. So here comes 20, here 2, total 22. and which will be the same amount continue for the refunding. Moving to the last question of this chapter, because the remaining chapter is not included this year in your syllabus. That is, on 1/7/2017, Sundaram Limited issued 14,008% debenture of rupees 300 each at a premium of 5%. These debenture are redeemed on 30/6/2023 at 330 per debenture. Write necessary journal entry in the books of the company. Now it seems really simple and easy. Easily we can remember these entries, but the problem is over here is the calculation. Please do the twice practice of this 3 question, because it is actually very simple and easy, but it might make you confused while making a calculation. So here comes the entry: bank account debited to, the percentage is 8%, debenture, application and allotment account. Where comes the multiplication? Here we got the 305% of it. It is 15% premium. So here is the calculation which will move into the bank to debenture, application, allotment account. Take 14,000, get multiplied by 315. 14,000, 300 of face value plus premium, it is 315. 44,10,000. Next, 1/7/17, 8% debenture, application and allotment account debited to 8% debenture account. Loss on issue of debenture account will be debited to premium on issue of debenture account to security premium, because in this question the premium have been given. So first we'll take 44,10,000 and the loss on issue, which will be 4,20,000. Here I wrote 14,000 into 30, that is redeemable premium, which is given in the question, and this security premium, which is 15, will be multiplied with the security premium, that is 14,000 into 15. Here I wrote the calculation where 14,000 into 300 for the debenture, for the premium 14,000 into 30, and the security premium with the 15. So here we wrote application and allotment with 44,10,000, and in the loss on issue 14,000 into 30, that is 4,20,000, and over here with the 15, if you multiply 14,000 into 15, it will be 2,10,000. So the remaining I can write it down, 42 lakh, the calculation of this, and the 4,20,000 for the premium on issue of debenture, which is similar to the loss on issue of debenture. Moving to the redemption of the debenture, where we'll write down 8% debenture account debited. So here is the calculation where I took 8% debenture and the premium on issue of debenture. So here the calculation comes with the 42 plus 4,20,000 comes 46,20,000, and will be continue for refunding to the debenture holder at the time of redemption. So here is the calculation.